Oftentimes, the hardest part is getting started. Throughout the years, I've noticed two types of people: the dreamers and the action takers. And most people tend to fall in the category of dreaming. And don't get me wrong, there's nothing wrong with dreaming. However, every dream, to make it a reality, requires some sort of action. Otherwise, it will just be a dream. So you want to become the best in your nature. However, in order to become the best, you have to put in the work. And putting in the work requires some sort of action. Let's say it takes around 10,000 hours to master a skill or to become good at something. And in order to achieve mastery level, you have to be consistent. You have to work consistently on the skill you want to improve. If I look at myself, being an introvert and a very private person, you'll only know about me what I allow you to know. However, when I started this journey, I needed to change my perception or perspective and realize that it is not about me anymore, but it's about the people that I'm serving. I needed to take action as to where I'm seeing myself going. So the dream that once was is now reality, and it could only become a reality because I took action. It reminds me of the book of The Power of Now by Eckhart Tolle, where he walks you through his methods for quieting your thoughts and fears to find fulfillment through present or the present moment. So I started living for today, not tomorrow, not next week. What is it that I can change today or this very moment instead of having to wait? At the end of the day, nothing will happen if you don't take action. I have a podcast dedicated to this topic, taking action. The next time you feel that things are not happening for you, remember, nothing will happen if you don't take action. And here's 5 things that I live by and that you can take to improve your life on a daily basis and to achieve your goals. 1. You have to set clear, achievable goals. You have to establish clear, quantifiable, and doable objectives. Because having a distinct goal in mind makes it easier to stay motivated and focused. This will also prevent that feeling of feeling overwhelmed. 2, and I've mentioned this a couple of times, develop a positive mindset. I myself has learned to live by these principles, and Tony Robbins calls it priming. And the one that stands out is being grateful. So think of 3 things that you are grateful for, because by being grateful takes the worry and fear away, so you can develop a positive outlook and then surround yourself with positive people who can encourage you. Having an optimistic outlook makes it easier to overcome all these obstacles and failure. 3. Create a routine and stick to it. Consistency. I've spoke about consistency a couple of times. Whatever you've set out yourself to achieve, you have to work on it consistently. You have to take action on it consistently. 4. Continuous learning and personal growth. Learning has always been a part of my life. Getting to know new things, figuring out stuff, how it works. If you want to be the best in what you do, creating or developing a learning mindset will take you exactly there. As they say, development and self-improvement leads to increased self-assurance and new prospects. And then lastly, take action and stay persistent. Action frequently follows motivation. Even if it's a tiny little step that you're taking, starting something can build momentum. And the secret to reaching long-term objectives is to operate consistently in the face of challenges or disappointment. Recall that patience is essential and that improvement is frequently gradual.